Hey guys, Max here with CAtuned Off-Road, and behind me is a Lexus GX550. In this video, we're going to show you how to install our ditch light brackets. Super simple guys, basic tools, under half an hour, no problem. Let's get on it. Alright guys, we're going to get started on the install. Really simple. You need a 12mm socket, something simple like this. You have the brackets. Really interesting design. We have a little holes for your zip tie. Once you put the light here, you can zip tie the actual wire around it so it doesn't get bind up on your hood. So really simple. We're going to remove these bolts here, not all the way guys. So we're going to remove them and then slide this thing in. We're going to go over here. So we're going to slide it up in from the front, guys. We're going to slide it in right here. Kind of just like that. Let's see here. Boom, there you go. It's a little tricky. Make sure that the bolts are unscrewed here. We might have to loosen them up a little more. Maybe this one as well. All right. So once we get it in here, guys, the main thing is to keep this right here really nice and tight towards the hood area. So you're not scratching the cowl closer to the hood area, because you can adjust them right here. There you go. Now we're going to tighten it up. There you go. Alright guys, so we have it installed here. Also what we did is installed the lights. We should kind of show you where the zip tie areas are and how to kind of run it. So like again, make sure you run it closer towards the actual hood. And let me close the hood and show you how they look. Looks really nice and beautiful. Nice and sturdy. How it's supposed to be. And this completes our install, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us by phone or email.